Find the limit. Let me know the answer in the comments below. Are you ready? Let's go. So we have to evaluate the limit. So let's go ahead and see direct substitution first and see if that is going to help us. Okay, so I'm going to put 0 in place of all the x's here. E to the power of 0 minus e to the power of negative 0 divided by 0. So now this is 1. E to the power 0 is 1 minus e to the power negative 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 divided by 0. So it's in the indeterminate form, which is 0 by 0. So what we can do here is apply the L'Hopital's rule and see if that works for us. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. LH, L'Hopital's rule. So we have in the numerator, we take the derivative of the numerator. So we get e to the power of x is simply going to be e to the power of x, the derivative, and then minus. So now we have e to the power of negative x. So the derivative of that is going to be e to the power of negative x, except now we have to use the chain rule. So the derivative of negative x is going to be negative 1. So it's going to be multiplied with negative 1. Okay, divided by, in the denominator, of course, we just simply have 1. Okay, so let's go ahead and for our final step, see if this works. So now we do have e to the power of x. Now negative times negative is positive, plus then we have e to the power of minus x, all right, divided by 1. All right, let's keep going. So e to the power of, now we can take our limit x approaches 0, so substitute that. So now we are going to get e to the power of 0 plus e to the power of negative 0 divided by 1. So that is 1 plus 1 is going to, that's 1 plus 1 divided by 1. So that is going to be equal to 2. Okay, and that is our final answer. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll talk to you next video. Have a nice day. Bye.